Hey Beth, I just wanted to give you a little bit more information about your sales and how many copies are being sold, where they're being sold, and all that fun stuff. And this is basically a Excel spreadsheet similar to what I receive from IPG and Inscribe. They give it to me, and all the titles are mixed together. In this one, I separated it out by title for you, and this is how I put it on your P&L as well. But I just wanted to show you a little bit about this and some of the information. Oh, okay, there we go. That you can find on here. I'm just going to shrink it a little bit. Okay, bear with me. All right, so I wanted you to see that here's the statement dates, the period of sale, obviously our imprint name. Here's the account. This is like where things are being sold. So Amazon Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and it has the country of sale here as well. So that's not only for Amazon, but for Google. Kobo as well has a lot of different regional sales. So you'll be able to tell like the regions in which you're selling these things. Um, and I know that a couple other authors ask because they're very interested about like where around the world their titles are selling. So that's really great information here. So this isn't always organized. I think I tried to do it, but by retailer. So it says Amazon and then Apple, Google. So actually, this looks like I think I did it here. But then on the bottom, Amazon comes up again. So sometimes you have to be like kind of look back and forth for them. But these are all the sales for Once More Summer. So here's the ISBN, the title. So this is the customer price, the net quantity of how many are being sold, the net value. And this is what we're actually looking at, this column due to publisher. This is what I get paid out by Inscribe. Once Amazon takes their cut, once everybody, all the retailers take their cut, and Inscribe takes their cut, this is what we're paid out on the book. So, so what I tend to do, just I don't know how familiar you are with Excel, but if you take this and you kind of scroll down, hopefully it'll do the whole thing, okay? And you highlight all those numbers. Down here at the bottom, it says sum. So it counts up all of those numbers and gives me the total of how much is sold for that unit. This is the count is 23 columns there, but you can also go to net quantity, do the same thing, and see how many were sold. So here the sum is that 42 copies of this title were sold during this pay period. Okay, so similarly, we do this for S'more to Lose and blah, 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 blah. We'll scroll all the way down, and it's telling us that 73 copies of S'more to Lose were sold during this period of sale. And that's what this yellow line is here. Sometimes I'll put the number of copies sold because I also put that on the front of your P&L. So sometimes I remember to put it on this sheet as well, but I don't think it doesn't look like I did it here. But and then here in this column, the yellow is just like my totals, basically, per book. And then same thing, so Love You S'more. The yellow is the Love You S'more total. And then the green, I total all of the books together. So what the due to publisher was for Once More Summer, for S'more to Lose, and for Love You S'more, and then I total it here. And then this is exactly where I pull all the numbers from in order to do the accounting and everything. So I just wanted you to have this because, as I said, there's a lot of really good information on here. How many units are being sold at what location. And this also sometimes has to do with promotions that we run. We're running a lot of promotions with Kobo in January. They're like going all out, and I nominated all of your titles. Some of them I have to pull now that we have the BookBub toward the end of the month because I don't want it to compromise our BookBub. But in the beginning of the month and pretty much throughout all of January, we should be seeing some good sales from Kobo. And yeah, so I just wanted to let you know about that. And please let me know if you have any questions. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.